Hi everyone, welcome to my Turkish learning lessons. I hope you are old and great. Selam herkese. Türkçe derslerine hoş geldiniz arkadaşlar. Ben Yasin Durak. Now, today I'm going to continue doing this part two of Turkish learning expressions and phrases spoken daily and in movies and series. I hope the first lesson which I did for this part has helped you. Now today I will continue. Which you might hear from Turkish speakers all the time on daily basis. Also, every time you may hear from anywhere you can be with Turkish people. That's why I just want to help you learn these expressions. I hope it helps a lot. If you think that this is not enough for us, please clarify it, to me in your email or below the comments, please, of this video. Now let's start with the first one. The first one is, as you see here, as you can remember, the Turkish examples will be on the right side and English examples will be on the left side. Now, if you are ready, now let's go. Evet, arkadaşlar, now, the first expression you will learn here today is nerelerdesin, nerelerdesin, nerelerdesin. Nerelerdesin. Now, this is an expression. In English, they say, where have you been? This is a kind of a question to ask someone that you haven't seen that person for a long time. So in that case, you ask someone. So you show your surprise. Nerelerdesin? Nerelerdesin? So this is how we say in Turkish, probably the same as in English. Nerelerdesin? This is a question, don't forget. All right, next example. Yine mi? Yine mi? Well, this easy part. In English, they say again. Well, don't forget, this is a question. And again, so in Turkish, we say yine mi, yine mi, yine mi. Now, I repeat this 3 times for you. You can practice at least 1 time for me. I mean, for yourself. As long as you practice, by yourself loudly, this really gives you a chance to hear the pronunciation as well. Yine mi. All right, next example. Bu kadar, ya bu kadar da olmaz. Ya bu kadar da olmaz. Well, I put here, yeah, just to show the, the stress or emphasis that that you can't do this anymore. So in that case, what's that in English? Yasin, that can't be that much tolerable. Well, I just tried to explain what it might be like this, that can't be that much tolerable. It can be actually 2 meanings here in Turkish example. Let me clarify first of all this. Ya bu kadar da olmaz. Well, this means I couldn't expect this much, or that shouldn't be that much. This is kind of too much, for us or for me. So you say in that case, ya bu kadar da olmaz. So usually sounds like going to the negative side. Okay, so ya bu kadar da olmaz. Ya bu kadar da olmaz. That can't be that much tolerable. Or you can say, kind of another way, implying style, I can't stand it anymore. This is what you can feel like this. Ya bu kadar da olmaz. Bugün havamdayım. This is a good expression you can learn. Bugün havamdayım. What's that in English, Yasin? I'm in the mood today. I'm in the mood today means bugün havamdayım. Bugün havamdayım. Okay, bugün havamda değilim. This is the negative part. Bugün havamda değilim. So that's I'm not in the mood today. Bugün havamda değilim. Well, this kind of expressions, as I said, you may hear from Turkish speakers, can sound like informal style. Just, keeping in mind. That's why I'm just telling this first of all to you. Bugün havamda değilim. So these are the expressions you may hear from your friends or people you know very well. So they may speak this way. Bugün havamda değilim. Now your turn, you say, bugün havamda değilim. Okay, repeat one more time. Yes, havamda değilim. Good job. Okay, now next example. Let's see here. Hey, what happened to you today? Hey, what happened to you today? So in English, that means, ya sana ne oldu bugün? Hey, well, maybe this sound like, hey, that means kind of surprise. Ya sana ne oldu bugün? Ya sana ne oldu bugün? So maybe ya is kind of for some learners of Turkish, it may sound a little different, but I just try to make it as clear so that you can understand and use it more freely. Ya is the kind of way of giving the stress or emphasis of something while they're asking this question. Ya sana ne oldu bugün? Hey, what happened to you today? So this is the sound you can give in English as well. Okay, ya sana ne oldu bugün? Ya sana ne oldu bugün? All right. All right, next example. Did you get up wrong side today? Did you get out of your bed from the wrong side today? Maybe the sounds like this. In Turkish we say for this, ters yerinden mi kalktın? Ters yerinden mi kalktın? Well, here I just forgot to use today. Today in Turkish means bugün. 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 So the spelling is T-U-G-U-N. U is the two dots above U, okay? U. All right, so bugün ters yerinden mi kalktın? Bugün ters yerinden mi kalktın? So this is how you can say in Turkish. Bugün ters yerinden mi kalktın? Don't worry, I will, at the end of this slides, I will repeat one more time as a whole. Okay, this is another example. In English, they say, please forgive me, promise it won't happen again. So this is the example, but a little longer actually. But in any case, you may hear this from people. So please forgive me, affet beni ne olur. Affet beni ne olur. So this is a good expression, ne olur. That means please. Please, forgive me. So, okay, now, affet beni ne olur. Please forgive me. Promise, that means söz veriyorum. Söz veriyorum. Söz veriyorum. Bir daha olmaz. It won't happen. It will not happen. So it won't happen. Now, let me say whole examples in Turkish. If you want, repeat with me. I will make it slower for you. Affet beni ne olur. Bir daha olmaz. Söz veriyorum. Let me repeat one more time. Affet beni ne olur. Bir daha olmaz. Söz veriyorum. All right. So the another one is whatever it takes. Whatever it takes. Well, this shows the measures to the extreme things. Maybe good or bad, you take this kind of measures. So in that case, you say ne gerekiyorsa, ne gerekiyorsa. I'm sorry, maybe you may hear some external sounds, noise, coming from upstairs. It's kind of very accidental today. So let me make it practice one more time a little faster because this noise can be disturbing to you. Okay, now let's repeat. Nerelerdesin? Nerelerdesin? That means where have you been? Nerelerdesin? Yine mi? Yine mi? That means again. Ya bu kadar da olmaz. Ya bu kadar da olmaz. That means, well, that can't be too much tolerable. So in that case, we say like this. Ya bu kadar da olmaz. Havamdayım. Havamdayım means I'm in the mood. I'm in the mood. Havamda değilim. If you make it negative, havamda değilim, that means I'm not in the mood. Okay? All right, now let's continue. Well, I put here ekstra havalarda uçuyorsun. Well, this means you are extremely happy, joyful. In that case, you can hear this from Turkish speakers. Havalarda uçuyorsun. That means you are at highs or you're extremely happy. There's an informal expression in English. I just couldn't remember, but I just tried to explain. Ya sana ne oldu bugün? Hey, what happened to you today? Hey, what happened to you today? That means in Turkish, ya sana ne oldu bugün? Ya sana ne oldu bugün? Next one is ters yerinden mi kalktın? Ters yerinden mi kalktın? That means did you get up wrong side out of the bed today? Ters yerinden mi kalktın? Affet beni ne olur. Please forgive me. It won't happen again. Bir daha olmaz. Bir daha olmaz. I promise. Söz veriyorum. Söz veriyorum. So let me repeat one more time. Affet beni ne olur. Bir daha olmaz. Söz veriyorum. And the last one here I can share with you is ne gerekiyorsa. That means whatever it takes. Ne gerekiyorsa, but be careful when you use this kind of expressions, you know. I just try to explain as much and clearly as possibly I can for you. I hope it's been a good lesson for you. And don't forget to subscribe and like our lessons, and yeah, write your comments as well. Bye for now.